What's up everyone, it's your boy Technology, and today I am super excited to show you the Audiosense AQ3. First thing first, big shout out to Audiosense for sending me these. I'm really excited to test them out. Audiosense is a great company. I'm going to leave the links below. Try them out. They're very responsive. But let's start by opening up the box, see what's inside, and then talk a little bit more about them. Alright, very nice box. Looks smooth. Nice packaging. Really like it. It looks, similar to the T800, the top of the line right now. And basically you get the same accessories inside. So these are 3 drivers. You get 2 BAs by Knowles and another dynamic driver which is supposed to make the bass a lot better. I hope you can see that. And Knowles. Yeah, so let's look inside and then talk a little bit more about these. Alright, this is the package. So far so good. Now how do you open this? Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. So, a Pelican style box. Really nice. Exact same box like inside the T800. Alright, let's put the box inside for a second, see if there's anything else. Alright, some manuals. And you have the specs inside. Here we go. Yeah. Alright, let's move on. Nothing else inside. Very nice box. Alright, let's open this one. Look inside. Take a look at these. Wow. So carbon faceplate with this 3D element on top of it. Looks really nice. You have AQ3 and Audiosense engraved here inside. Let's take them out. Here we go. So look at these guys. Really nice. And I'm really impressed with the fact that you're getting the same accessories as a T800 for half the price. That's ridiculous. Alright, we have a little box inside. Probably tips and cabling. Yeah, so nice cable. You can see that. Really nice. Assuming these is a silver cable, but I'm not going to use these. This one I'm gonna use the MMCX pure copper, which I like. But yeah, it looks like a very good cable, quality cable. Right, so that's inside. What else do we have? We have a cleaning tool. Very nice. And we have 2 packs of tips. We have, okay, so we have some foam tips. They look to me same size for some strange reason. Interesting. Okay, so foam tips, and then we also get the silicone tips. Yeah, silicone tips. Alright, so that's the package. Moving on to the stars of this show, the AQ3 with the 3 drivers inside. First impression, the build quality is really nice. This is quality resin printed by a 3D printer. The size is actually very good. It's not that big. I mean, really nice. Yeah, MMCX connector, and you can see, hope you can see the drivers in here. Very nice.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single
You can see the 3 guide tubes nicely displayed in here, going all the way up to the aluminum stem. In terms of sound quality, they've somehow managed to, tune the 3 hybrid drivers really beautifully, with this rich and lush textured sub bass, a tight mid bass, and resolving mids slightly forward than expected, but I like it very much. The treble is very smooth, somehow resolving. You get a lot of details in a non-fatiguing way, which is quite important. They're not as extended as the T800, but nicely done to say the least. Soundstage is good in first impression, and the sound is on the warm side, very lively and coherent with the powerful titanium dynamic driver. I love the sound that comes out of them, and I'm getting more details when I'm using an amp. They sound so much better with a bit of good amping, so take this thing into consideration. Instrument separation is also getting both my thumbs up, but the one that really shines here is without any question the dynamic driver. It is tight and very punchy, but not extremely boomy. When I've heard Michael Jackson repeat it, and all, the drums, it was all amazing. When I've heard Money for Nothing by Dire Straits, I felt like the guitar is just in front of me. I was crazy. They're so live, and if someone is telling you that the mids are somewhat recessed, no, they're not recessed, they're live. Absolutely there. I mean, I felt them. And with the amp, it was like, oh my god. I felt like I'm listening to something that is tuned very well. Again, not resolving like the T800, but the bass is better. They're very smooth on the warm side compared to the bright on the T800, but I think that, Audiosense have done an amazing job tuning these, and they're not shouty, between 6 to 8K peaks. So I think they managed somehow to tune the upper and, the mid and high frequencies by Knowles in a very nice way. They managed to make this work flawlessly. Look at the tubes, guys. Absolutely beautiful. And from what I understand, they're very tip dependable. So try to make sure that you pick the tips, wisely. Anyway, guys, this pair is definitely a keeper. It's very nicely resolved, very well tuned, and I'm very impressed with the AQ3. And it all comes down to this. If you prefer, more micro details and more resolving earbuds with a bright sound, perhaps you should try the T800. However, if you like a good punchy bass from one hand, and yet a good pair, very well tuned, with smooth treble, a little bit on the warm side, perhaps you should try the AQ3. Alright guys, that was it. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell. If you like the video, please click the like button, and I'll see you next time. Peace.